गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड
गुड
मॉर्निंग।
मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, शुभोदय।
नमस्ते अध्यापक जी मैम।
राइम्स पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? हाँ। लकड़ी काटी पे
राजा
घोड़ा, लकड़ी काटी काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा। लकड़ी की काटी काटी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा। दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा। दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा। बंदर मामा पहन पजामा दावत खाने आए। बंदर मामा पहन पजामा दावत खाने आए। ढीला कुर्ता टोपी जूता पहन बहुत इतराए। ढीला कुर्ता टोपी जूता पहन बहुत इतराए। रसगुल्ले पर जी ललचाया मुंह में रखा गप से। रसगुल्ले पर जी ललचाया मुंह में रखा गप से। नरम नरम था गरम गरम था जीप जल गई लब से। नरम नरम था गरम गरम था जीप जल गई लब से। बंदर मामा रोते रोते वापस घर को आए। बंदर मामा रोते रोते वापस घर को आए। फेंकी टोपी फेंका जूता रोए और पछताए। फेंकी टोपी फेंका जूता रोए और पछताए। हाँ, इज माय वॉइस क्लियर? यस अभिग्नेश। अभिग्नेश, unmute yourself. 1 second. Is my voice clear, children? Is my voice clear?
Yes ma'am.
You are able to hear me?
Yes ma'am. Yes
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. So just I am waiting for the students to join. Still they are joining. Okay, 15 participants are there. Still we will wait for 2 more minutes. If they join, we will start. Until then, we will at least we will read the lesson. Our lesson reading is important, is it? We will read the lesson. हाँ तो वर्षा रानी। हाँ तो देखिए, वर्षा रानी, वर्षा रानी आओ ना, थोड़ा जल बरसाओ ना. Come on, you open your textbook and keep finger and read. Okay, and do even action. वर्षा रानी आओ ना, थोड़ा जल बरसाओ ना. घर बाहर खिड़की दरवाजा, घर बाहर खिड़की दरवाजा, पानी से नहलाओ ना. वर्षा रानी आओ ना. तितली भ्रमर फूल सारों पर, तितली भ्रमर फूल सारों पर, सूर्य चंद्रमा और तारों पर, सूर्य चंद्रमा और तारों पर अपना चक्र चलाओ ना. कम ऑन रीड ऑल ऑफ यू. अपना चक्र चलाओ ना. वर्षा रानी आओ ना. ट्रक भेज दूं ट्रेन भेज दूं, ट्रक भेज दूं ट्रेन भेज दूं, किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो, किसमें तुम आओगी बोलो. चलो मेट्रो में ही आज तो, चलो मेट्रो में ही आज तो, अपनी शान दिखाओ ना. वर्षा रानी आओ ना. हाँ, so we will open the textbook now, like have you learned the meanings? आप लोगों ने मीनिंग्स पढ़ा है, लिखा है आप लोगों ने? हाँ, एक बार हम मीनिंग्स पढ़ेंगे. Varsha, rain. Varsha, rain. All of you read after me. All of you on your video. On your video, Akshat, Sanvi, Harshini. Rani, queen. Rani, queen. Jal, water. Jal, water. Ghar, house. Ghar, house. Azan, read. Ghar, house. Khidki, window. Khidki, window. See, if you keep on reading only, you will get to know. Whenever we ask, you can tell immediately. Darwaze, door. Darwaze, door. Titli, butterfly. Titli, butterfly. Brahmer, beetle. Brahmer, beetle. Fool, flower. Fool, flower. Surya, sun. Surya, sun. Tare, stars. Tare, stars. Chandrama, moon. Chandrama, moon. Chakra, wheel. Chakra, wheel. Aaj, today. Aaj, today. Shan, bright. Shan, bright. हाँ, तो देखिए यहाँ पर पढ़िए और समझिए. तो हम ये अब आपको समझाते हैं, ठीक है? तो कल हमने जैसे रा के प्रकार पढ़े थे, वैसे ही अभी देखिए, कल हमने समझाया था अगर वर्षा है, वर्षा में कौन सा रा लगा हुआ है, कौन सा रूप है ये रेफ है ना, रेफ. तो इसमें क्या होता है, रेफ कब लगता है, जब र आधा होकर और श पूरा है यहाँ पर, ठीक है? तो देखिए यहाँ पर देखिए र आधा है तो हलांत लगाइए और प्लस श, ठीक है? और तो देखिए ऐसे वर्षा, और देखिए यहाँ पर सूर्य. जब हम सूर्य लिखते हैं तब क्या है, र आधा है और या पूरा है और या में र का रूप है. तो देखिए यहाँ पर जब हम इस रेफ का प्रयोग करते हैं तब र आधा होता है और वो अगले अक्षर पर जाकर वर, र का साउंड वा के बाद में आ रहा है तो श पर जाकर रा लग गया है, सूर्य, सूर्य. तो यहाँ पर सूर, सू के बाद में रा की जो ध्वनि है, रा की जो आवाज है वो कब आ रही है, आफ्टर सू we are getting r sound, r. So there the after letter, okay, after su the next letter the ra will go and join there. So in this way it will join. Okay, so this is the position, or it will be in this way. Okay, yeah. तो यहाँ पर देखिए र आधा है और श पूरा है। वर्षा, र आधा है और या पूरा है। सूर्य, ठीक है। हाँ, तो इसी प्रकार आप नोटबुक निकालिए और लिखिए। अगर आप पढ़कर लिखेंगे ये पूरे शब्द, तो यहाँ पर देखिए ये इस प्रकार है। और फिर देखिए, यहाँ पर अब इस प्रकार के अगर अगर आप पदेन, ये क्या है? पदेन। तो ये एक टाइप का रा है, इसका एक रूप है जो इसे पदेन कहते हैं। तो कि ये शब्द के अक्षर के नीचे लगा हुआ रहता है, अक्षर के नीचे लगा हुआ रहता है। तो ये एक लाइन जो है आप देख रहे हो, का में क्या लगा हुआ है? ऐसी लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन लगी हुई है। तो ये स्लैंटिंग लाइन भी एक रूप है रा का, रा का एक रूप है। तो यहाँ पर जब ये पदेन लगता है, हमें देखने को मिलता है कि का पूरा लिखा हुआ है और का में सिर्फ एक स्लैंटिंग लाइन है। तो हम समझते हैं कि यहाँ पर का सिर्फ पूरा है और रा सिर्फ आधा है, पर ऐसे नहीं है। देखने में ऐसे लग रहा है पर ऐसे नहीं है। तो यहाँ पर क्या है? तो ये देखने की बात ये है कि here we need to understand that here there the ka is not full. It is looking as full but it is not full. Remember, so this here ka is half and then ra is full here. If you see in Raf, where we saw like this it was. So here the sha is full and ra is half. But here it is different completely. Okay. So here what is there? Ka is half and ra is full. So that you need to remember. Even here also, like paden ka aur ek roop. Here one more, yesterday I said as ulta V. Opposite. Okay, ulta V. So this is also a kind of what? Ra. I said yesterday, isn't it? Yes. तो ये उल्टा वी है, तो इसको भी पदेन कहते हैं, इसको भी पदेन कहते हैं। और इसमें भी क्या होता है? रा पूरा होता है और जो अक्षर इसके साथ है वो आधा होता है। तो देखिए, अगर हम ट्र लिख रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर क्या है? रा आधा, रा पूरा है और ट आधा है, ट आधा है और रा पूरा है। So see the difference here. See the difference here. When you are writing ref, it means like when you are writing ra in this way, then ra is what here? Half here. And if you are writing ra in this way and this way, so in this both the ways ra is full. Okay, here ra is half. So you need to keep a halant there. Halant. Ra आधा अगर होता है, हर्षिनी, हर्षिनी, understood? When is ra half? Ref. Say ref. And what is ref? How it will be? Like this. Okay. This is a type of ra. हंसिका, हंसिका मैं इंग्लिश में भी बोल रही हूँ, सुनिए, आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? I am telling even in English. Yes. See, so again, once again I will explain you. See children, there are 4 types of ra. Listen all of you carefully now. Ra is, this is the, you all know this. This is a very simpler form of ra. How to write ra. Okay. So this is one of the type. And there is one more type of writing ra, where you will write for Varsha. Is it not? Varsha, Surya. When you will write Surya, Varsha, Hasahasra. Understanding, beta? See, I am telling in English. So listen. See, here Ra is complete Ra here. and this is one more type of Ra, and this is called as Ref. Okay, so when we are writing this Ra, the Ra will be half only, Halant. See, if you are keeping a line down to it, then this is called as only half. Okay, this is only half. Okay, this is only half. So here in this type of Ra, that is only half it is written. Okay, and there are another two ways how to write Ra. There are another two more ways. This is one type and the another type is this. These two are called as Paden, and in these two types the Ra is full. The Ra is full. Okay. Yes, simply this is only the concept. Understood all of you? So nothing children, no need of confusion. Simply they are only like four types. Four types. This is one type. This is second type. This is third type, and this is four types. Now I will write it very clearly. This is all clumsy. This is one type, and this is like second type, and this is third type, and this is fourth type. Okay, and in this Ra is complete, and in this Ra is half. When we are writing half, you have to write Halant. In this Ra is complete, and in this Ra is complete. Okay, examples for this is like if you write car. So here Ra is complete. Okay, so no need of Halant. If you write Surya, then here Ra is half. If you write Surya, then here the Ra is half. See here, Ra is full here, Ra is half here. Okay, and if you write Prashna, the word Prashna, and here the Ra is, this is Pa full and Ra is half. We are like seeing like this. For seeing it is like this, but it is not like that. Okay, here the Pa is half and Ra is full. Ra is full. Okay, and if you write truck, we are able to see Ta full and Ra is half, we will think here, but it is not like that. Ta is half and Ra is full. Okay, so this is the simple form. You need to understand this. There are four types of Ra. Okay, so these are the types of Ra, how to use in the words. So if you keep on writing the Ra, like types of Ra words from the page 34, if you read and write, you will get this all words. So there are maximum how many words? Yeah, 18 words are there in ka, kha, ga, bit, ka, kha, ga. So come on, write down all of you those all words. Ka, kha, ga. Simply you write the words, don't write that plus symbols and all. Only ka, kha, ga bits. There are 18 words together. You can write them now. Read and write, all of you. Read and write. And tomorrow there is a dictation on these words. Children, everybody will be ready? And tomorrow is the last class for us in this week. Okay, if you write dictation tomorrow, I will be teaching you the next bit. Okay. Fine, we have lot of time. We will go slowly. We have learned all the matra words in the grade 2. You all know all the matra words. Okay. And we have learned in this class Dvitiyakshar, Samyuktakshar, and we have learned, now we are learning types of Ra. So this Dvitiyakshar, Samyuktakshar and types of Ra is somewhat difficult, but if you do more practice on this, you will get, and we will have lot of revision for term 1 examination. On this 3 concepts we will have term 1, so we will have lot of revision. We have ample of time. Don't worry, all of you, and do regular practice. Okay, in the class itself, if you practice, it's enough, not much struggling. Okay, if you do the given homework and if you practice in class, now if you practice, read after me, wherever whatever I am making you read, please read after me, then you will be perfect. Okay, so shall we read and write, all of you? Take out your notebooks, write neatly, all of you. Write today's date. लिखिए वर्षा। तो यहाँ पर क्या है, वर्षा में रा का रूप कैसा है, रेफ का रूप है। ठीक है, वर्षा, सिंपली डेट डालकर वर्ड्स लिखिए, प्रैक्टिस करिए। ठीक है, सूर्य, सूर्य। Students are joining lately in the first period. Till now I am getting like joining reports. Many students are being late to the class first period, and many are missing even first period. I don't know why. It should not happen, children. Everybody should be on time, because we are getting only hardly very 3 classes in a week, and even like in that 3 days, last week we had only 1 class, and for that we have written the exam. So only 3 days, those 3 days are very important. If you don't attend the class, you can't get good marks, even if you will not get the good knowledge even. दर्पण, धर्म, वर्ग। ये पूरे एक जगह लिखिए, फिर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करिए, या नहीं तो साइड में लिखिए। फिर ये पदेन वाला जो दूसरा टाइप है, चक्र, उसके शब्द लिखिए। व्रत, आपने लिखा था, ये थोड़े बहुत इसमें लिखा था आपने, पर कोई बात नहीं, फिर से लिखिए, लिखने पर ही आपको आएगा। ठीक है, ग्रह कहकर लिखिए। रीड एंड राइट, सिंपली राइटिंग डजंट मेक एनी सेंस। ओनली मक्की टू मक्की, डोंट कॉपी, रीड एंड राइट, read and write. They are in the textbook also. No need of always seeing to the screen. You can see from the textbook, but read and write. Reading and writing is important. Reading and writing is important, all of you. See, you are not owning your videos. Turn on your video. How can I know that you are reading? Somebody should guide you, or else your parents are near you, it's okay. If not, you have to open your video and you have to say after me and say and write. Don't write simply, children. Writing simply is waste. I'm telling you, writing simply is waste. If you don't write, it is better than. Read and write. पढ़िए और लिखिए, बार बार कह रही हूं मैं, पढ़िए और लिखिए। चक्र, व्रत, ग्रह, ग्रह, चंद्रमा। Read louder, okay? Read louder, but mute, be on mute. Read louder. It should be known like you are reading. Your parents should listen like that. You have to read. Pranam, pranam. truck, truck, truck. राष्ट्र, राष्ट्र. राष्ट्र, राष्ट्र. मेट्रो, मेट्रो. ड्रम, ड्रम. ड्रेस, ड्रेस. ड्रामा, ड्रामा, ड्रामा. 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 Once again, वर्षा, सूर्य, कर्म, दर्पण, धर्म, वर्ग, चक्र, व्रत, ग्रह, चंद्रमा, चंद्रमा. प्रणाम, प्रणाम. नम्र, नम्र, नम्र. You should think about the sound also. When r sound is coming, how it is coming, which sound after which sound is coming. So which letter I should write first, how to write ra, which type of ra I should use. Those all sense you have to, like, simply don't write. See, think and write, think, read. While writing, simply writing, makki to makki, if you copy, nothing, you will not get anything. Tra, tra, see, t and ra mixed together, tra, t, r, sound, okay, tra, k, truck. Ra, we are telling ra, then ra में आ की मात्रा है, ra, राष्ट्र. Rash, sh sound is coming, and then tr, rashtra. Metro, me. If you are saying me, ma में एक ही मात्रा, me, and then tr, o we are saying, then o की मात्रा, metro, metro. Drum, drum. Dress, dress. Drama, drama. Now I want to see everybody's book. Come on, show me. Are you reading and writing? अयान पढ़ के लिख रहे? पढ़ रहे हैं आप? Medha, is it completed? Medha, Medha, done? Give me a thumbs up if it is done. Show your book or else. Writing work is done, Medha. Good, good, Ayan, good. Right, right. Yes, right down. Ranav, Sanvi, Shanmukha, Jess, Khandan, Medha, Sanvi. Arham, good. Shriyan. One more Shriyan. Where is he? Is he attending the class? Shriyan. Okay. Shriyan is there. One more Shriyansh. Where is he, Shriyansh? Shreyansh, where is he? I'm not able to see Shreyansh. Shreyansh is not attending and Yashmant is not attending nowadays. Still, who are missing? Now very soon we are going to have parents meeting also, children, and we will be asking your parents whether you are writing, reading, or you are cooperating or giving like respond to your parents. If you are not attentive and your behavior changes are not there, so we are going to plan to have you school who are not attentive in the class, who are not listening to the class properly, or who are not writing the notes, who are not doing the homeworks. For them we are planning to have school children. So maintaining a social distance, we will have even school for the students who are not listening to their parents. Understood? You are able to listen to me? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Vishnu, give me a thumbs up. You are listening, no? Yes. So listen, who are not attentive, who are not doing classworks, who are not doing homeworks, and who are not listening to the teachers, and who are not reading or writing properly, and not maintaining the notes properly, and who are not listening to their parents, and they are troubling. Like whole day you are at home now. I know that your parents are having a tough time. They are dealing with the whole day. You all will be troubling them. Okay, previously you used to go to school, but you used to come to school here, but now it's a tough time for everybody. Even we are helpless, so it's all burden to your parents, I understand. So if you keeping on troubling your parents, we are going to ask them. We are having parents meeting very soon. Maybe tomorrow we will have the parents meeting. A message will be sent to you. So we will be asking your parents if you are not doing it properly, if you are not attentive. So we will be calling, we will speak to them, and who are not listening to their parents will be coming to school. Okay. So do complete by today. All who have any pending work, you can call your friends even and complete everything and listen to your parents. Otherwise you will fall in trouble, I am saying you. Team 3, complete everything. Otherwise if it is not completed, you have to come to school then. Be careful. Okay. What Akshat? Akshat Rishi? Akshat Rishi? Yes. Hansika? Hansika? Struck everyone. Our network issue.
Miss Kavish. Ma'am came. Ma'am came.
Please have this mute for my friend Vishnu.
Ma'am came.